Children, we are done with A, A, E and E swar. Now we begin with U swar. Let's learn the words beginning with U swar. U pasun ukhad. I repeat, U pasun ukhad. Ukhad means motor in English. Okay. Next we have U pasun udi. Udi means to jump. Udi means to jump. Next we have U pasun udyan. What does udyan mean? You can easily identify through the picture. It means a park. Udyan means a park. I repeat all the words again. U pasun ukhad. U pasun udi. U pasun udyan. Okay. Now here children, you should be able to name the pictures. I may ask you to write the missing letters or to write the whole word. Okay. For example, here आपको U, K, R तीनों अक्षर लिखने आना चाहिए. यहाँ पे उड़ी का U अक्षर आपको लिखना आना चाहिए. Now here also it's written उद्यान, so you should be able to write U or N अक्षर. Okay, U and N अक्षर you should be able to write. Okay. Next we have U swar. Okay, this is big U. The small U is a bit relaxed, and now here you have the big U. Okay, so U pasun ul. Ul means wool in English. Okay, wool is called ul in Marathi. Okay. Next we have U pasun us. Us means sugarcane. Us means sugarcane. Next we have U pasun ushi. Ushi means a pillow. Okay? Ushi का मतलब क्या होता है इंग्लिश में? A pillow. Let's repeat all the words. U pasun ul. U pasun us. U pasun ushi. Okay? So now you should be able to name the pictures. You should be able to write U and L akshar. Yes, ul. Here you should be able to name the picture, that is us. So you should be able to write us. And here only the first letter you should be able to write. She you need not write. Okay. You should know to write only U akshar here. The first letter of the picture. ठीक है? Next we will go to the new akshar, the new swar, that is Ru. This is the new swar which you are learning, which you had not learned in first standard, but now you will learn in second standard. This akshar, this swar is called as Ru. Okay, it is pronounced as Ru. Ru pasun run. I repeat, Ru pasun run. Run means loan. ऋण का मतलब क्या होता है? लोन. जब आप किसी से पैसा बोरो करते हैं तो यानी आप उससे लोन ले रहे हो. You are borrowing money from somebody. Okay, so in Marathi it is called as ऋण. Next we have रू पासून ऋषी. रू पासून ऋषी. Rishi means a saint or a sadhu, we can say. Okay. Next we have Ru pasun Rutu. Ru pasun Rutu. Rutu means season. Okay. Rutu means season. So I'll repeat all the words beginning with Ru akshar. Ru pasun Run. Ru pasun Rushi. Ru pasun Rutu. Got it, children? That's all for today. Thank you, class.